Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide friends list on Facebook. So let's begin. First make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here scroll down below and tap on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on settings. In settings, scroll down below and under the audience and visibility, tap on how people can find and contact you. So tap on this option. Here you see second option is who can see your friends list. So tap on only me. Here you can see that I have selected only me here. If you set it to only me, no one else except you will be able to see your friends list. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.